be checking whether your channel is on copyright or community strike. In this video I'm going to be showing you where to check your copyright or community strike here on your channel or YouTube, right? Okay, so stick and stay, watch this video to the end, and we'll be right back. This is how to check if your channel is actually on strike or on copyrighted. So I'll be putting it here while I will be talking. So some of you don't really know that your channel is strike by YouTube due to one thing or the other. Sometimes funny voice, sounds, music, or things that we talk about here on YouTube. So how I got to find out this, I was just playing with my studio, I think that was last week, and I come across it. I'm like, Jesus. And actually, as my channel was demonetized, I see the community strike there. There was no copyright strike, it was community strike. I'm like, Jesus Christ, I need to share this to my audience. So if you are watching me, please try going through your channel. Go to your studio, your YouTube studio, on your mobile or your laptop or your desktop. Go there, check it, click, as you guys can see on the screen. So please, no matter what you do, there are some voices they grant us on sometimes when you are uploading your short videos, sometimes when you are uploading some funny videos, there are some funny voice you use from YouTube here, maybe from other content creator on YouTube. Before you know, yours will just get copyrighted. I don't know if those people put copyright in their whatever. There's this AI. I use my picture for AI, and the AI created my picture to become a video, like just 10 seconds video. And the top, I think the gun my picture was wearing as AI video is actually violates the community guideline on YouTube. I was so frustrated, and that video actually gave me a lot of views, which I forgot to screenshot. So YouTube asked me to answer some few questions, and they give me examples of, is this video nudity, or is this or that? I said no. But is this one this? I said this one. I answered about 7 to 10 questions before they actually said that. I'll put the date here. They said that 20 something July or something thereabout. You guys will see it, which the community strike will expire. But if I violate the community again, I think it's going to become something else. So I'm just using this medium to tell some of you that some of the things that you are posting, please be careful, because you don't want to make mistake. And especially if your channel is not monetized yet, you might just be having copyright strike or community strike. If you don't know, you don't know. So please watch this video to see how you can actually go there to go and check if your channel is all 100% okay. If not, please try dealing with your channel before even applying for monetization. If not, YouTube is going to disappoint you. All right. So one other thing that I also did as well, I also checked my AdSense, because my channel was demonetized, and I checked my AdSense, and my AdSense also was marked like this. You guys, you understand? So, and the money was still inside, because I thought as YouTube demonetized me, I was like, so there's nothing there again. But when I click on it, there was something there actually, and I'll be showing you guys. And but my AdSense was actually deactivated, and I have to reactivate it to make it stable, because I was actually working towards my monetization. The video I uploaded last time, I told you guys how I got my monetization back. Yeah, pour me water. So that's what I did. And I also do my underground work, which I also follow the community guideline, because newly when you register on YouTube, you need to read the terms and conditions before actually ticking that box of agreed. If not, if you don't read, you're gonna be falling into trouble. All right, thank you guys so much. I wanted to film this video so that you guys will know if your channel is in trouble or is not in trouble. I hope you enjoy watching. I'll come your way again in my next video. Please subscribe, okay? Subscribe, you guys. You'll be swapping away, it's not nice. Subscribe for more tips like this, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment, let me know if you have checked yours. Is yours doing okay? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.